Have you ever wondered what a tracheostomy is and why it's done? Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of this life-saving procedure. A tracheostomy is a surgical procedure that creates a direct airway to the trachea or the windpipe. This is achieved by creating an opening in the neck, a procedure often required in emergencies or for patients needing long-term ventilator support. There are several types of tracheostomy tubes available, each designed with specific functions in mind. Some are created for short-term use, while others are designed for extended use. The choice of tube is dictated by the patient's condition and specific needs. After the procedure, diligent care is paramount. This involves regular cleaning and maintenance of the tracheostomy site, vigilant monitoring for signs of infection, and ensuring a sterile environment. It's crucial to follow the healthcare provider's instructions to the letter. Adapting to life with a tracheostomy may require some adjustments. Everyday activities like showering and sleeping may need to be modified. However, with the right care and guidance, individuals with a tracheostomy can lead fulfilling lives. As with any medical procedure, certain challenges can arise. These may include mucus buildup, difficulties with speech, or changes in humidity. But don't worry, we have some practical tips to help navigate these challenges and improve the quality of life for those with a tracheostomy. In conclusion, we've explored the ins and outs of tracheostomy, from the procedure itself to the everyday life tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.